सब बिलीवर्नर कैसे आप सभी। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप हेल्दी एंड फिट होंगे। दोस्तों आज के हमारे गेस्ट है अरबाज रेजा। अरबाज बेसिकली इंजीनियरिंग से ही टेक्नोलॉजी एंड रोबोटिक्स की ओर काफी इंटरेस्ट रखते थे। उनका अभी का जो स्टार्टअप है इट्स कॉल्ड एसीलोन। चलो पहले हम लोग एसीलोन के बारे में जानते हैं।
Amidst the rapid spread of coronavirus, business are getting affected all around the world. Meanwhile, the delivery system faces its biggest challenge. The pandemic has brought a surge in online shopping so big that the delivery system is failing to cope up with it. This is when our team decided to build a semi-autonomous vehicle Carry to deliver goods anywhere reliably and safely. Carry is fully electric and can take a load of 400 kilograms, and can drive around for 100 kilometers at an average speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Being semi-autonomous, the vehicle can be remotely accessed and driven by the driver from the warehouse itself without being exposed to the virus. There are no delivery guys to communicate with the vehicle directly, which makes it absolutely safe to be at the receiving end. We have started collaborating with our partners. We would request you to share this video with your vendor requesting him for a 100% non-contact delivery.
सो है ना वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग। चलिए डायरेक्टली हम लोग अरबाज से बात करते हैं और उनकी इस स्टार्टअप जर्नी के ऊपर हमसे आगे का डिस्कशन करते हैं। बी ब्रेव टू बिलीव इन यू, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब।
So thank you Arbas for coming in Believe episode and giving me your time. आपका Believe में स्वागत है। अरबाज मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि पहले तो आप आपके बारे में बताइए और हमें आपके स्टार्टअप एंड बाकी सारी चीज़ों के बारे में प्लीज इन्फॉर्म।
Right. So, thanks a lot for inviting me.
Yeah.
And right, so I am so I've studied in Nagpur.
Okay.
I'm from YCC College. I'm an electrical engineer हूँ. And so through जब college start हुआ था, early days से ही we were pretty much into technology.
Okay.
Like me and my co-founders, हम सभी लोग probably first year से ही we were doing a lot of projects. So that was the building block. And फिर maybe like 3-4 साल एक साथ काम करते हुए we realized कि problem क्या है and like what exactly हमको solve करना है.
बिल्कुल.
In terms of projects जो हमने किए कॉलेज में, we built a satellite in collaboration with ISRO at YCC College and also a satellite monitoring system. तो ये सब हमारे projects थे which was more focused towards disaster communication and disaster technology.
Yeah.
Like during हम लोग के final year में we realized कि सबसे commonly occurring disaster is a road accident.
Correct.
And we just stuck to that point that okay, like let's try and reduce this number. Like this is going to be like a 10 minutes call, right? Right now on an average there'll be like 2 people dying by the time we finish this call just because of a road accident.
Okay.
So that's the huge number that we have on India. That's it.
Yes, yes.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
सिर्फ इंडिया का फिगर है.
बराबर.
And like हम लोग ने जब चालू किया था तो उस टाइम पे ये नंबर was way more, like it was 6 to 7 minutes per death, and now that has come down to like 3 or 4. So I mean हम लोग ये देख रहे हैं कि we are getting good cars, right? But still there is a huge lack in terms of infrastructure.
Yes.
So ये चीज को we realize कि हाँ ये problem है और इसी को solve करते हैं. So that is where we like at the end of our college in 4th year हमने यहीं पे जाके we started working क्योंकि we'll narrow down. हम बहुत broad spectrum में काम कर रहे थे. We narrow down everything and हम सिर्फ इसी चीज पे काम करेंगे.
Okay.
So right, and after this like so I mean in terms of what I do, like I've always had a passion about coding, and since the like start of my college I've been working in terms of AI, Python. Python was like I learned Python at very early stage, like probably first year only.
Okay.
And that I mean early because back in 2013 people are not talking about it. Like
Yeah,
at least
correct.
in India, everyone is talking about Python. And I
Python.
learned it back in 2013, right?
Yeah.
So काफी ज्यादा early head start मिला. Plus हम लोगों ने जब काम चालू किया था तो we had a we use Raspberry Pi a lot. So in terms of technology, back then first year second year से हम लोग इस पे काम करने लगे थे. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेनिफिट मिला जब हमने प्रोडक्ट बनाने चालू किए थे. सो लाइक एक बेसलाइन मिल गया था कि हाँ यार इसके ऊपर कुछ भी बन सकता है, जो अब जाके लाइक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अ DIY किट जो हर किसी बच्चे के पास हर कॉलेज में मिल ही जाता है. तो I mean we were exposed to that very early. Okay. Then like I mean I was invited to MIT's Boston's event in China, where I pitched the entire satellite making idea, like how people can make satellites, DIY satellites, and how we can track it. So when I was in China, तो वहाँ पे एक अलग ही ecosystem था. So that gave me an idea of how like you know anyone can make anything. It just what really matters is how you narrow down the entire thing to units and basics, like a very simple idea about robotics can be easily taught to very young children, and by the time hum 18, 19, 20 hote hain, so they'll be very much into solving technical problems जो बाद में जाके जैसे अभी रोड एक्सीडेंट है जो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं सॉल्व करने. So that was a game changer for me entirely. Like I tried to portray the entire learning वहाँ से जो भी मैं सीखा वापस to my team, so that they can get inspired in terms of technology, because obviously that technology was 5 years ahead than what we were shown in India. So that was one. Then later on, like that was in my final year when I was invited. After final year, I was invited to Europe, where I went as a delegate from representing India from here to there, to Austria specifically. And over there, I saw how really small companies, like probably not even 100 of employees, are creating huge impact, and they are $1 billion company. Like बहुत ही छोटी company. Like हम लोगों का perspective in India is like, to be a unicorn, you need people in your team. Like that whole perspective was changed जब मैं यूरोप में कंपनी से मिला. Like उनके CEOs, they really impact. They know everyone from the team, like from the janitor to the C-level position. Everyone knows everyone. They are available on mails. Perspective of working ही अलग है. तो ये चीज वहां जाके सीखी. So these two were the most important learning जो मैं वापस आके अपने टीम में implement किया. यार dude, it's not about कि हमको एक बहुत बड़ा fancy team चाहिए, fancy office चाहिए. It's about narrow down your things, perfect your like whatever principles are in terms of making product, in terms of making quality products, and then just focus on solving problems that will make sure people are affected, or people are using your product with.
Amazing. अभी जो आपका startup है, what is the name of that and what is exactly you do?
Right. So the startup name is Excello. And so as I said, हम लोग जब चालू किए थे तो उस टाइम पे the whole idea was कि we will focus on road accidents. So we like it's been 3 years now. So the first year when we finished it, we made a product which was like can fit into any car and avoid road accidents.
Correct.
So we were very fortunate. हम लोग गडकरी जी से मिले, उन्होंने बहुत support किया. Like in terms of we got government grant to build it, but जब हम उसको सर्टिफिकेशन ले रहे, like when the product was built, we went to certification. तो इशू ये हुआ था कि ARAI के पास retrofitment. So this whole process is known as retrofitment, that you buy a car, then you buy a product and you put into the car. So ARAI, and actually not the ARAI, the Supreme Court banned retrofitment of products into vehicles.
Okay.
So we were left with two options, that if you want to make something like this, then आप जाके एक car manufacturer से collaborate कर लो, either Maruti, Tata or anyone. Or second, you yourself become a car manufacturer, or you manufacture car with such features.
Yes.
So उस time पे we tried for probably a year to just get one deal signed with Maruti ki dude yaar, just put this up as a after sales device in your vehicles, and that couldn't happen. Like I'll probably not name the company, but it took us 6.5 months just to get one amendment in the legal paperwork. So it's so difficult. So हमने कोशिश तो की, but it didn't work out. So we went back to ARAI. We spoke to them. They said, "यार boss, एक ही option है, that you either become a car manufacturer yourself." So हुआ ये था कि we had the government grant. तो हम लोग के पास option ये था कि either we quit this back then and probably go and look for a job,
Hmm.
or then struggle and become a car manufacturer eventually,
Correct.
right? Like when we talk about car manufacturers, the youngest car manufacturer is 80 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, Tesla is an exception, but again, Tesla is again now 20 years old.
Hmm.
So there are not a lot of companies जो इस सेगमेंट में आना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. So
ठीक
it
है.
was very challenging. तो हमने पहले यही सोचा कि करना है या नहीं करना है. Very tough decision that we had. Took us probably a month or two to realize ठीक है, we will get into this segment. But हमने जब स्टार्ट किया तो अगेन पॉइंट ये था कि मार्केटिंग बजट नहीं है, टेक्नोलॉजी का ही बजट नहीं था, मार्केटिंग तो बाद में आता है, तो बिल्डिंग का ही बजट नहीं था. तो फिर व्हाट वी थॉट वाज दैट ओके लेट्स रिड्यूस एवरीथिंग डाउन टू यूनिट्स एंड जस्ट फोकस ऑन वन थिंग. सो इनिशियली व्हाट वी सेड कि बस हमारा प्रोडक्ट जो है दैट विल ओनली गो इनटू प्राइवेट कैंपसेस, प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज, जहाँ के लिए हमको रेगुलेशंस की जरूरत नहीं है.
ठीक है.
एंड देन what we realized is okay, we'll make a safer vehicle, but we'll also give them an added, like the most safest vehicle will obviously be an autonomous vehicle. Like, I mean, we talk about flights being secure and safe because it's probably 90% being driven autopilot way.
Yes.
So that is what we pitched into the colleges or universities, huge colleges, universities back in, like we work out from Somaiya College in Mumbai. So we spoke to them, we gave them this idea, they were excited. Then we spoke to some other colleges, like we spoke to JIPMER Pondicherry, and they were super excited about the whole idea. They were like, so this gave another aspect to the product. So the product was a 10-seater shuttle that will just take you from one location to another, and you can book it like an Uber. Like when you get inside a college, you can just book it like an Uber, take the vehicle and go wherever you want to. So when we spoke to JIPMER about it, JIPMER said they had on-call doctors and they already have a golf cart in there. So golf cart is an ideal competitor that we have.
Yes.
But the problem with that was that the golf cart driver wouldn't be available after 6 o'clock. And you really don't know when you're gonna have an emergency in a college.
Yeah.
So they had on-call doctors. They wanted them to come to the, like from hostel building to the main building. So they just wanted to have a shuttle, and this was the new use case that they got interested in. So this was altogether new segment. I mean, we were only focused ki we will take the students from main gate to the college campus or wherever it is in Houston.
Yes.
Lekin these things kept on coming.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. तो हम लोगों को काफी आसानी हुई थी जब like this started on happen. But again COVID happened. Like this was last year and COVID happened. So things बहुत ही slow चल गए. Like we had like probably 4 or 5 pre-orders of our bigger shuttle, which was really good because total net was around more than 60-70 lakhs. So I mean we were really struggling at that point.
Okay.
So we went back. We decided that okay, technology hai. Most of the colleges were like, when the college reopens we'll buy it, but right now abhi nahi chahiye. So we spoke to like what we can do, and so Somaiya College mein ek Somaiya Hospital bhi hai. We spoke to them, if you need our product still, is there anyway? So they said that can you make a smaller version of it just to transport goods at COVID affected areas.
Yeah.
So we thought that is possible. The only problem was that the entire team was already gone. Like some work from home the, and no one was in Bombay apart from me and my co-founder Aditya.
Okay.
So we decided that okay, let's build it. We spoke to Mumbai police. They were very much happy. They said okay, if you can build it. We'll try and see regulations का क्या होता है. But obviously they said lockdown है तो वैसे भी roads खाली है. Even if you want to do it, you can do it. No issue. क्या ही किसको जाकर ठोकेगा. So me and Aditya, we went back. We were the only two who built the entire small robot.
Okay.
And that was used for deliveries to hospitals where we provided PPE kits. We donated initially from Excello so that it can be utilized with people who are really in need of that. And later on, wherever it was required, we tried to send it from the vehicle, making it a 100% contactless delivery. So ये फेज काफी ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग था हमारे लिए. देन वी स्पोक टू काफी ज्यादा वेयर हाउसेस एंड huge warehouses, only e-commerce warehouses where they were interested in having such products so that they can automate their system as well.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
during COVID, this was an altogether new stream
New
that
segment,
came up.
completely
Yeah,
new segment came up. Yeah,
Exactly.
great.
So that
great.
is doing pretty good now. But
Yeah.
that's the overall thing that Excello has been doing, and the journey of Excello for the past 3 years,
Mhm.
where we started off from trying to avoid accidents, and now we build like a fully autonomous shuttle that will be able to make sure that you never get into any sort of collision. So
Yeah.
that is our entire journey.
Okay. अरबाज, आप स्टार्टिंग से यू वांटेड टू हैव योर ओन स्टार्टअप या फिर आप जॉब या इस तरीके से या सडनली यू आर कम इनटू स्टार्टअप्स?
सो हम लोग ने जब कॉलेज थर्ड ईयर में थे तो प्लान जॉब करने का तो नहीं था.
अच्छा.
एंड प्लान वाज टू स्टडी मोर. दैट वाज लाइक एटलीस्ट फॉर एवरीवन इन द टीम अभी भी कि हम लोग को पढ़ना था. और बट यही था कि लाइक बाय द टाइम हम लोग फाइनल ईयर तक आए, वी वर ऑलरेडी लाइक एक्सेलो फॉर्म नहीं हुआ था. वी डिसाइडेड कि अगर हाँ एक्सेलो फॉर्म करना है तो हम कॉलेज खत्म करके ही करेंगे. लाइक कॉलेज गॉट ओवर इन अप्रैल, द कंपनी वाज रजिस्टर्ड इन मे, वी वर क्लियर फॉर दैट.
अच्छा.
बट फाइनल ईयर में ही हम लोग ऑलरेडी लाइक without even registration of the company, we were already a part of Airbus Accelerator in Bangalore. So that gave us a lot of traction early, which also was like कि baseline जब वो हो गया था तो we said कि अच्छा अब कर ही लिया है तो let's try and see how it happens.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मतलब वो एक साल का टारगेट था कि let's see कि इसको एक साल तक जाता है क्या. And but then वो ये फिर it just kept on. Then it became like, so एक बहुत ही बड़ा proverb, like it said, I probably don't know who said it, but it said कि like you don't need to do drugs, startups are equally efficient.
Yeah.
No, you get addicted to it. एक बार चालू होता है तो you really want to
चलते रहता है. हाँ, correct.
Initially we decided कि ठीक है देखते हैं एक साल क्या होता है. Then now 3 years down the line and we still are like ठीक है, like what's the next thing.
Yeah.
So it's been tough, like surviving ये COVID वाला entire 8 months were really tough.
Yeah.
But luckily COVID के just पहले we raised our pre-series investment.
Wow,
so
wonderful.
I mean literally it happened in March. COVID happened in like
April.
First part of March it happened, and April so it was all bonkers.
Yes.
So like we were really lucky that way. So it would have been really difficult for us to survive. But yeah, abhi things are moving pretty quickly because economy is coming back on track.
Correct.
धीरे let's see how it happens and
Yes.
see where it goes.
Yes, definitely. काफी इंस्पायरिंग और क्या कह सकते हैं एडवेंचर से भरी हुई जर्नी है आपकी. मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा बस कि कितना डिफिकल्ट है हाउ फॉर योर फैमिली एंड दोस्तों को बताना कि नहीं यार मैं जॉब नहीं करने वाला अभी मैं एक स्टार्टअप में जाऊँगा.
I mean फैमिली के एंड से इतना कभी इशू था ही नहीं. They were like whatever it is तुमको जो करना है करो. They gave me a freedom to do it till 25. I'm 26 now. So अभी तक ऐसा कुछ सवाल तो आता ही नहीं. बट ठीक है, आई मीन दे नो कि ग्रोथ हो रहा है तो दे आर हैप्पी. फ्रेंड्स के इसमें भी सेम था. दे वर लाइक think about the future, whatever you want. 5 years down the line वाला क्वेश्चन जो हर कोई कॉर्पोरेट जॉब में पूछता है, which is what my friends also ask कि dude तू जो कर रहा है, if you are looking 5 years down the line, this is what you want to do, then do it, no issues. I mean pretty happy that that way I never had issues. But yeah, I'm really thankful कि family friends were really supportive throughout, like
great. Yeah,
not in just terms of finances or financial help, even through just being there emotionally was a huge help for us, like throughout for all the 3 founders. हम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प हुआ उससे.
बहुत बढ़िया. ये सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
एग्जैक्टली. या घर
से सपोर्ट मिल जाए तो फिर कुछ भी हो सकता है. अरबाज, अभी जो नए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बिल्ड हो रहे हैं स्टार्टअप में इस कोविड सिचुएशन में के बाद आना चाह रहे हैं, तो व्हाट इज योर सजेशन फॉर देम?
आई मीन अभी सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज फॉर एवरीवन जो होगा वो है making products that people will buy, because obviously upfrontly अगर आप consumer products बनाते हो तो लोग खरीदेंगे नहीं. B2B products बनाओगे तो उनका मतलब unless and until it's really what they want to need right now, like if you make a sanitization thing, everyone is gonna buy it.
Yeah.
But you probably make a autonomous car like what we are making, no one's gonna buy it right now.
Yes,
So
yes.
आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि आप किस तरीके से उसी प्रोडक्ट को सेम मार्केट में बेच सकते हो, एंड वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लाइक अगर राइट नाउ इस कंडीशन में आपको सर्वाइव करना है तो यू हैव टू थिंक किस तरीके से मार्केट में आप एंटर कर पाओगे, मार्केट में आप प्रोडक्ट बेच पाओगे, विच इज नॉट जस्ट इस सेगमेंट अभी के लाइक यू नो कोविड टाइम्स में, बट इवन इन जनरल भी आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हाउ विल यू सेल, व्हाट विल बी योर बेस लाइन, आप मार्केट जाओगे कैसे, प्रोडक्ट कैसे बिकेगा, ये सब बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए. बट हाँ, इन करेंट कंडीशन that should be like the most important thing that you know.
Yeah.
And post that, remember that you know finances should be straight, क्योंकि मार्केट में पैसा रेस करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है अभी. हैविंग सेड दैट, ऐसा नहीं है मार्केट में पैसा नहीं है. अगर आप शो कर सकते हो कि आपके पास ट्रैक्शन है, देयर आर इन्वेस्टमेंट, देयर आर एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स हु आर रेडी टू बैक यू फॉर लॉन्ग, बिकॉज अभी जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा इट्स नॉट गोना बी शॉर्ट टर्म और क्विक रिटर्न्स इन्वेस्टमेंट, इट्स गोना बी लाइक अ ईयर लॉन्ग, 2 years 3 years प्लान. तो अगर आप वो पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हो तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि यू विल गेट इन्वेस्टमेंट. बट या आपको ये चीज पे फोकस करना पड़ेगा कि डू यू नो हाउ यू वांट टू गो अबाउट इट. तो ये सारा फ्यूचर प्लानिंग करके अगर आप आगे बढ़ते हो तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड ऑल आप रेस करके आगे बढ़ सकते हो. बट हाँ, कीप अ वेरी क्लियर प्लान इज व्हाट आई एम गोना से. अगर प्लान आपका बहुत सही है कि हाँ A to B जाना कैसे है, तो आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग कैन स्टॉप एनीवन.
डेफिनेटली आपका जो भी मैसेज था डेफिनेटली यूथ के लिए बहुत यूजफुल रहेगा और उनको एक पॉइंट मिलेगा आपके इससे. थैंक यू अरबाज, आपने हमें समय दिया. थैंक यू.